Good evening, Mayor Knight, members of the Greensboro City Council. My name is Zibulu Chukwu, and I'm a student at the University of North Carolina at Greensboro. I am part of and participate in several organizations in the city and on campus. And I'm here today, however, in my capacity as part of the Spirit of the Sit-In Movement initiative. If you are neutral in situations of injustice, you've chosen the side of the oppressor. If an elephant has its foot on the tail of a mouse, and you say that you're neutral, the mouse will not appreciate your neutrality. Desmond Tutu. This is my responsibility to my neighbor as I hold my neighbor as my own. In the most recent Yes Weekly article, highlights of individual private companies and their proposals for the landfill are presented. If selected, one of the companies, Waste Industries, would request that the city approve an expansion of its service area to within a 90-mile radius, including Durham, Stokes, Yadkin County, and part of Virginia. Is there an answer as to why outsourcing other entire counties' waste serve as beneficial to the greater community? Upon the promise of assuring that the White Street landfill would not open again, is this the proposed decision to reopen the landfill fair? Is this the just and democratic Greensboro that other communities strive to be? The answers lie in the hands of the citizens. Democracy is by definition the rule of the people, and Gandhi once said, the spirit of democracy cannot be imposed from without, it has to come from within. I believe that this issue in the few years that I've been here in school have been non-democratic in its process. The voices of the people, those voices that have the power to impact and the ability to help realize have been silenced. But I'm only a college student. I'm a college student learning to empathize and listen to the intergenerational voices and dialogues surrounding this issue. For those groups standing in solidarity with the residents, we stand with you. Thank you.